Artificial intelligence just created a Hollywood-quality movie trailer in under 3 minutes. No human editor, no expensive software, no weeks of rendering. Just a simple text prompt and boom. Professional-grade video that would have cost thousands of dollars and dozens of hours to produce just 2 years ago. But here's what most people don't realize about this AI video revolution that's happening right now. The AI video industry just crossed a critical threshold. Tools like Runway ML, Pika Labs, and Stable Video Diffusion are now generating content that's virtually indistinguishable from human-created videos. We're not talking about simple animations or basic graphics anymore. These systems are producing complex scenes with realistic lighting, natural movement, and cinematic quality that would make seasoned professionals double take. The technology improved 1,000% in just the last 18 months, and the acceleration isn't slowing down. But wait, there's a darker side to this revolution that nobody's talking about. While everyone's celebrating these incredible capabilities, entire industries are about to be disrupted overnight. Video editors, animators, stock footage companies, even some filmmakers are staring at an existential crisis. And here's the kicker: most of them don't even see it coming yet. Let me show you exactly how powerful these tools have become. Runway's Gen 3 can now generate 10-second video clips at 1080p resolution from nothing but text descriptions. Pika Labs added camera controls that let you simulate professional cinematography techniques like dolly shots, pans, and zooms. And Stable Video Diffusion can animate still images so convincingly that you'd swear they were filmed with a real camera. The barrier to entry for high-quality video production just dropped to essentially zero. The economics are absolutely brutal for traditional video production. A 30-second commercial that previously required a production team, equipment rentals, location fees, and post-production work, easily $50,000, can now be generated for less than $20 in AI credits. Marketing agencies are already switching to AI-first workflows. Small businesses that could never afford professional video content are now producing Hollywood-level advertisements. The democratization is happening faster than most people anticipated. Now here's where it gets really interesting, and why you need to pay attention to this trend regardless of your industry. AI video isn't just replacing traditional video production. It's creating entirely new categories of content that weren't economically feasible before. Personalized video messages at scale, hyper-targeted advertisements, interactive educational content, and immersive training simulations. We're not just automating existing workflows, we're inventing completely new possibilities. If you're finding this breakdown valuable and want to stay ahead of AI developments that will reshape entire industries, hit that subscribe button. I analyze emerging technology trends that most people won't hear about until it's too late to adapt. Now, let me tell you what this means for the next 24 months and why timing is everything. By 2025, AI video generation will be as common as using Photoshop is today. The companies and creators who adapt now will have a massive competitive advantage over those who wait. But here's the real question that will determine who wins and who gets left behind. Will you be the one using AI to amplify your creativity? Or will you be the one replaced by someone who figured it out first? The technology doesn't care about your timeline. It's moving whether you're ready or not.